Hi, in front of me is TCL 10SE, and today I would like to show you how you can download pictures from Instagram. Firstly, open Play Store. Then type repos for Instagram and download this app from this developer. Now open it and go into Instagram. Pick a photo that you want to download, for example this one, and tap on the three dots located at the top right corner. Choose Share To and click on Repost App. Now go back, pick one of the options and tap Agree. Then click on the photo that you want to download and tap on the square icon to remove the label. Lastly, click the middle button. As you can see, my picture was successfully downloaded. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!